morning students. Chapter number 2 polynomials was going on before breaks. Today again we are here to continue this chapter. In this chapter previously we had studied regarding polynomials, remainder theorem, zero of the polynomial, type of polynomial, everything we had studied, and our last topic was going on algebraic identities. And in this topic we had studied questions based on all the identities: x plus a into x plus b, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b into a plus b, as well as a plus b plus c whole square. We had studied questions based on these identities. Now moving ahead in this chapter, today we will start questions based on these two identities, a plus b whole cube as well as a minus b whole cube. So identity for a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or it can also be written as a cube plus 3ab multiplied by a. When you will multiply these two terms, what we will get? We will get 3a square b plus 3ab multiplied by b gives 3ab square plus b cube will remain as it is. So both the identities are same, both the formulas are same. आपको दोनों में से कोई सा भी एक यूज करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू डिमांड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन में किस चीज की डिमांड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम कोई सा भी एक फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. In the same way, a minus b whole cube can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or it can also be written as a cube minus 3ab into a gives you minus 3a square b and minus 3ab multiplied by minus b. जब आप minus 3ab को minus b से multiply करोगे तो we will get positive 3ab square because minus multiply minus gives plus and minus b cube will remain as it is. So these two identities we have to study today. So let me give you some examples. Suppose 2x plus 3y whole cube. It is given. You have to expand it. ठीक है, आपको इसको solve करना है. So which formula is applicable? A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube identity is applicable here. Solve it. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I am applying this identity. आप ये भी लगा सकते हो, आपकी मर्जी है. Now, what is a here? Okay, what is a here? यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू कितनी है? A is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. So we will replace a by 2x and b by 3y. हम replace करते हैं. So solve it. What we will get? A will be replaced by 2x cube. See, I have told you earlier also when we were doing questions based on these identities, a cube, that means ये cube किसका है? ये cube है a की वैल्यू का. अब a की वैल्यू कितनी 2x है, that means अगर मेरे को 2x cube, so it is totally wrong, ये पूरा गलत है. What will come? Whole cube will come. It means this cube belongs to 2 as well as to x. ये क्यूब 2 का भी है और x का भी है, तो यहाँ होल क्यूब लगाना मस्ट है. 9 प्लस 3 ध्यान रखिएगा. Plus b cube. What is b? b is 3y here, so 3y whole cube plus 3 will remain as it is. A square. A will be replaced by 2x square. फिर से स्क्वायर लगाया, वही सेम कंसेप्ट, स्क्वायर लगेगा 2x whole square into b. b is 3y plus 3 again will come as it is. A is 2x multiplied by b square. b is 3y whole square. Any problem in keeping values? Values रखने के बाद you have to solve it. Now solve it. Cube of 2. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube means 2 multiply 2 and x cube means x multiply x. आपने पढ़ा ही है 8th क्लास में. So 2 cube is 8 and x cube is x cube plus 3 cube is 27. Y cube is y cube plus solve it. 3 multiplied by 2 square is 4 and x square is x square multiplied by 3y plus 3 multiplied by 2 6. X will remain as it is. Multiplied by 3 square is 9 and y square is y square. Got it? आपने इसको सॉल्व कर लिया. अब सॉल्व कीजिए इसको. आगे भी सॉल्व हो रहा है. 8x cube plus 27y cube will remain as it is plus 3 into 4 12. 12 3s are 36. तो आगे 36 x square y plus 6 9s are 54 x y square. Can we add any other term? क्या हम यहाँ पे कोई सी भी एक टर्म ऐड कर सकते हैं? No. Why? because all the terms are unlike terms. We cannot add them. So when we'll factorize 2x plus 3y whole cube, then our answer will be 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Okay, in this way we can solve it. Now look at this example, 3x minus 1 whole cube. Now minus sign is given here, it means we have to apply a minus b whole cube formula. इस बार हम ये formula apply करेंगे. Concept is totally same, but only formula is different. अब यहाँ please वही concept ध्यान रखिएगा जो आपको यहाँ बताया था. We have separate formulas for positive as well as for negative value. तो यहाँ पे आपने क्या लिया था, b की वैल्यू क्या ली थी, यही ली थी जो वैल्यू यहाँ पे थी. Like अगर आपने 2x minus 7 whole square apply किया तो a 2x और b 7, b minus 7 नहीं है 9 class because already we are applying negative formula. In the same way यहाँ भी हम a minus b whole cube formula apply कर रहे हैं, in which a is 3x and b is 1, not minus 1, because minus sign is already counted in this formula. Okay, now let us solve it. We are applying a minus b whole cube formula, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Solve it. What is the value of a here? यहाँ a कितना है, 3x है and b is equal to 1. Now solve it. a will be replaced by 3x. So 3x whole cube minus 3 multiplied by a square will be replaced by, sorry, a will be replaced by 3x and whole square will remain as it is. Multiply by b will be replaced by 1 plus 3 into a again will be replaced by 3x into b will be replaced by 1. Square का आपने square लगा दिया minus b cube, b is 1. Got it? हमने वैल्यू पुट करी सिंपली. जो जो सिंबल्स यहाँ पे थे वो एज इट इज रखे लगाए, कोई मॉडिफिकेशन इसमें नहीं किया हमने. नाउ सॉल्व इट. 3 cube is 27, x cube is x cube itself minus 3 multiplied by 3 square is 9, x square is x square, multiplied by 1 will remain as it is. 3 3s are 9 into x, multiplied by 1 square is 1, minus 1 cube is 1. Solve it. 27x cube minus 9 3s are 27 into 1 27x square plus 9 into 1 9 into x minus 1. So it is the expanded form of this question, 3x minus 1 whole cube. So with the help of these examples which we had studied today, you can solve questions which are based on these two identities. Exercise 2.5, question number 6 and 7 you can do with the help of these identities. Now suppose ये तो वेरिएबल की फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन आ गए थे. मान लीजिए क्वेश्चन आया इवैल्यूएट 99 होल क्यूब. मान लीजिए क्वेश्चन ये आया. Without actually calculating the cubes, use suitable formula and then evaluate कीजिए. Now what you will do? आप देख रहे हैं क्या आप इसको कौन सी आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Can we write 99 as 100 minus 1 whole cube will remain as it is. So which formula is applicable? a minus b whole cube formula is applicable. आप जब इस formula में वैल्यू पुट करेंगे will get the answer. Let us solve it. Formula यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ डायरेक्टली सॉल्विंग इट. a cube 100 cube minus b cube 1 cube minus 3ab. 3 into a is 100 and b is 1, multiplied by a minus b. a is 100 and b is 1. वैल्यू को ध्यान से करना, अदरवाइज कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. नाउ सॉल्व इट. 100 cube is 10 lakh minus 1 cube is 1 itself minus 3 into 100 300 into 1 300, multiply by 100 minus 1 99. Now can't you solve it to get the answer? आपने लिखा 10 lakh minus 1 minus इनको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 0 0 9 3 27 9 27 29. Got it? इनको आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आपको ये मिल गया. ये आ गया 1 0 और आएगा. Okay. Now 10 lakh minus minus plus but sign minus से आ गया negative 29701. अब सॉल्व कर दीजिए. 10 लाख में से आप 29701 डिडक्ट कीजिए, माइनस कीजिए, तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? सब्ट्रैक्शन आती है कैरी वाले सभी को, ये इससे कैरी लेगा, इससे कैरी लेगा, ऐसे करते करते ये 10 बन गया, ये 9 बन जाएगा, ये 9 बन जाएगा, ये 9 बन जाएगा, ये 9 बन जाएगा और ये 9 बन जाएगा। नाउ सॉल्व इट। 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7 and 9 will remain as these. So answer is 970299. So in this way, अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसे आता है without actually calculating the cubes, solve it by using suitable identity, तो आप इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। और अगर 99 क्यूब की जगह मान लीजिए आ गया 102 होल क्यूब, अब आप कैसे बाइफरकेट करेंगे? हाउ विल यू बाइफरकेट इट? कैन वी राइट 102 एज 100 प्लस 2 होल क्यूब? तो यहाँ फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगा? a plus b होल क्यूब। तो 9th class, in this way you can solve questions which are given in your exercise 2.5. Okay, in our next class we'll study further. Thank you.